recording on iMac 2011, and this is the video we're recording, and it's pretty bright out morning. It's 9:20 in the morning, and it's much clearer than my previous videos. I just want to show you that. We're going to get into checking one of these out. It's a Bluetooth microphone, and it improves the audio through Bluetooth, and I'll show you how to do that next. Stay tuned. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And make sure you subscribe to the little button down here to the right. Actually, it's down there to the right. And stay tuned. Plantronics Voyager here, and on the bottom is where you connect the power up to charge it. It has an internal battery charge. I don't know if it's replaceable or not. I haven't ventured into doing that because I've had it for maybe, I would say, about 3 or 4 years. And the shape of the connector, you can see that right there. You want to make sure it goes in to the bottom correctly. Then right here on the bottom, mostly you want to put it in your ear, either right or left. This is the power button, and it'll say power on, power off. And if you set the Bluetooth on your computer up here, I'll show you the Bluetooth. You turn the Bluetooth on right there, and then hit the power button on here, it should immediately connect to your Bluetooth. You have right here, I'm sorry, the light's not so good here, but you have volume buttons up and down, so I just put the volume all the way up, and it's difficult to put on to use, but it helps when you want to do narration of a video. Say you took a video and with no sound, or you did a montage of different clips and you want to describe each picture in the montage of clips, and it's a great little device to use. You can find them on eBay or Amazon. So if you have any questions about the Plantronics Voyager, let me know. And have a great day. And thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe.